Danby portable air conditioners work by removing moisture from the air in your room. Understanding this process is key to solving drainage issues. When your air conditioner cools the air, it also removes humidity. The warm, humid air passes over cold coils, causing water vapor to condense into liquid water. This condensed water has to go somewhere. In portable air conditioners, it either collects in an internal water tank or drains out through an external hose connection. The most common drainage issue is the FT error code, which stands for full tank. This appears when the internal water reservoir is completely full and needs to be emptied. For your Danby AC to drain properly, 3 basic requirements must be met. First, the unit must be on a level surface so water can flow correctly. Second, the unit must be set to cooling or dehumidifying mode, as these are the modes that produce condensation. Third, the drainage path must be clear and unobstructed, whether that's the internal tank or an external drain hose. Regular draining is critical for several reasons. It prevents water overflow that can damage your floors and furniture. It also prevents mold and bacteria growth, which can create health hazards and unpleasant odors. Most importantly, proper drainage maintains your unit's cooling efficiency and prevents costly repairs. Newer Danby models feature self-evaporating technology that recycles some condensed water to cool the condenser, reducing the need for manual draining. Some units include smart sensors that automatically monitor water levels and alert you when draining is needed. Future models are expected to include even more advanced drainage systems with better water management and fewer maintenance requirements. First, check if your water tank is full. The FT error code indicates a full tank that needs immediate attention. Next, inspect your drain lines for kinks or blockages. Disconnect the hose and check for obstructions that could prevent proper drainage. Clean or replace your air filters monthly. Dirty filters reduce cooling efficiency and can significantly affect condensation, leading to drainage problems. For humid environments, set up continuous drainage by attaching a hose to the drain outlet. This eliminates the need for frequent manual emptying. If problems persist after these steps, or if you notice refrigerant leaks, electrical issues, or strange noises, contact a qualified technician immediately. Remember, regular maintenance, including filter and coil cleaning, is key to preventing drainage problems and ensuring your Danby air conditioner operates efficiently.